All right, let's go ahead and bring our Excel data into Power BI. First, on the home screen, you will see two options. You can click directly on Excel workbook, or you can click on Get Data and then choose Excel. Power BI actually connects to a lot of different data sources like SharePoint, CSV files, SQL, Oracle, and many more. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple in this beginner's course. For now, we'll just connect to the Excel file that we downloaded earlier, the financial sample file. So, let's do this together. Click on Get Data, then select Excel Workbook and choose the financial sample file. Now click Open. You'll see that Power BI starts loading the data. Over here, you'll notice it shows us both the sheet and the table. The table's name is Financial, and that's the one we'll select. As soon as we select it, you can already see a preview of the data here. This is a good way to confirm that we are bringing in the right data set. And if you ever want to double check, you can go back to Excel, click on Table Design, and you'll see the table name is indeed Financial. Now at this stage, we have two options. Transform data. This lets us clean or modify the data before loading. Load. This brings the data straight into Power BI. Since we want to keep this session simple, we'll just click on Load. We'll cover data transformation in more detail later since that's a slightly advanced topic. Once we click Load, Power BI starts bringing the data in. You'll see a message that it's loading rows, in this case around 700 rows. And that's it. On the right-hand side panel, you can now see our data set listed. If you expand the drop-down, you'll find all the columns we talked about earlier. From here onwards, we are ready to start creating visualizations with this data. So, see you in the next lecture.